I reached my site today, and I'm going to give the Outdoor Boys bread recipe a try. I've tried it out at home to see if it works after seeing the My Life Outdoors Outdoor Boys video, because it looked really good and it was good at home. So let's see if it will work on site. So I've got all the dry ingredients in here. I only did half of the recipe because when I did it at home it was quite a lot. It was good for 2 people, at least that's what I thought. And then I'm going to be adding some cheese into it as well, just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. And I also have some rosemary in here, so we'll see how that all works out. I've got the bread all mixed up with the cheese in it as well, so now I'm going to put it inside of my jacket to keep it warm until it's dinner time. Oh, look at that wind. It's definitely getting cooler and starting to get dark, but the fire is now finally going and got my snow boiling on there. I'm using the grill up top to thaw all of the other wood that I'm going to add in later. This park has rules that you're only supposed to get fallen deadwood, which in the winter means that it's going to be pretty much covered with snow, and now today is right around 0, so things are damp. So getting the fire started was hard, but now that it's going, my goal is to just not let it stop. And on the fire now, starting dinner, so gonna boil some broccoli up, and then I've got a bunch of other things for later. The broccoli is almost done. These little steak strips fry up nice and quickly, so we're not using a lot of gas in the winter. Already got the first half here. Last part of dinner, giving the Outdoor Boys camping bread a try. I have the stove at the absolute lowest to try and not burn it. I mean, it looks like dough, it feels like dough, but definitely I'll need to learn a cleaner way to get it out of the packaging the next time, because that's a mess. The bread did not turn out as expected or as it was at home. It's a little bit more finicky because the stove kept on freezing up, which it shouldn't, because it's meant for winter conditions like this. But it meant I had to have it on a little bit higher than I'd want it to. But we'll see what I can salvage. Hopefully it's still tasty underneath of the burnt. Hot chocolate by the fire. Good way to end the night. It's not very late, but it is very dark. So I'm gonna try and eat some of that bread and sit by the fire as long as it goes. Don't have that much wood left. Make a little bit more water, and then it's time for bed. And we're in the middle of January right now. Weather is beautiful. The wind has died down, so it's only about -4, -5 degrees Celsius right now. And with the fire going, no complaints. You can see out on the lake the previous people that were here just leaving as I was getting here were doing some ice fishing. Said they caught a few, so that's pretty cool. No stars tonight. It is very cold this morning. I mean, it's not terrible, but now that I've had a little bit of coffee and warmed up, it's getting better, and the sun is about to come out, so hopefully that will bring some heat. But it got down to -10 this morning and feels like -15 or 16, so the wind chill is the worst part of it. For breakfast, I have one of my favorites, the Cali breakfast bowl. Pretty healthy, but also just gets along with my stomach as well. In the summer, if I'm cooking, I'll add some grilled Spam and a tortilla, and then sometimes scrambled eggs to make it a really good breakfast burrito. But just the Cali breakfast bowl, grilled Spam, and tortilla is pretty nice in the morning too. Doing one last boil of water to put about half hot, half cold into the Nalgene for the walkout. I have my snacks for the walk ready to go as well, so I can put them right into an easy to access part of the bag. It's beautiful now, but because of the wind, it is still quite cold. The wind chill still has it around -15. All packed up, double checked everywhere on the site that I have everything, got the snowshoes on, and ready to make my way home. And that's it. Went very, very fast back to the truck because it was mostly downhill, which is, I guess, why yesterday was hard, because it would have been all uphill. Another winter camping trip successfully completed.